The unexpected birthday gift that melted Luna's heart. Tonight was special, Luna could feel it. It was her birthday, but something felt different.
Today is my birthday, right? But, where's my gift? Did my human forget?
And then, she saw it. A small, neatly wrapped box sat at the foot of the bed, tied with a golden ribbon.
A gift. But wait. My human didn't put this here.
Hello? Can you hear me?
What? Who said that?
Please, help me. I'm stuck inside.
Okay, don't panic. I'll get you out. Whoa. Flying puppy.
Finally. I thought I'd be stuck in there forever.
Wait. Who are you? And, why were you in a box?
I'm a wish fairy puppy. I was sent here to grant you one special wish.
A wish? Any wish?
Yep. But choose wisely.
Luna thought about all the things she could wish for. A mountain of treats? A golden collar? A bed made of clouds? But deep inside, she already knew what she wanted most.
I wish for my human to always be happy.
A wish from the heart. That is the most powerful wish of all.
Luna, good morning, my sweet girl. I just want you to know, you are my greatest gift.
Maybe, the best gifts aren't inside boxes. Maybe, they're in our hearts.
And just like that, Luna's wish came true.
Luna's diary. Dear diary. Last night was the most magical night ever. A glowing gift appeared in front of me, and inside, I found something incredible. I met a fairy puppy. It spoke to me and granted me a wish. I still can't believe it. It was like a dream, but it was real. I wonder, what will happen next?